Good morning. I am Jeannie Rose Manangan, nurse from Cabad District Hospital. My study is about the status of La Union District Hospitals. Healthcare services are among the general public goods and services the people have to enjoy sustainably as the government responds and adheres to its mandate for the people. Integrating sustainability in the operations of healthcare facility is a journey that proceeds incrementally, developing committed teams, creative solutions, robust strategies, and measurable goals along the way. The healthcare business in the Philippines has undergone dramatic changes. Just like the five district hospitals in La Union, who have distinguished themselves as pioneering institutions. From simple beginnings, the district hospitals have metamorphosed. However, the increasing amount of sustaining healthcare costs, which includes escalating manpower requirement, improved hospital services, and implementation of developmental plans, the La Union District Hospitals adopted the concept of an economic enterprise, which supported the patient's capability to pay. Healthcare costs overwhelmed the La Union District Hospital's limited budget, and upon exhausting the annual budget, the hospital encountered the following challenges. Medicines and supplies run short, deferred essential facility repairs, equipment is not maintained or purchased, morale among the hospital staff suffers, and the quality of the above situation inspired the researcher to look into the status of the district hospitals to sustain a continuous quality management system through sustainable hospital operations and services, especially with the high cost of maintenance and operating expenses and personal services of running a hospital. The design utilized in this study was a descriptive method of research, specifically the survey and correlational design. There were a total of 597 participants proportionately distributed to the hospital rank and file employees with 1 year experience, outpatient, and inpatients. The respondents answered the adopted survey questionnaire, which was subjected to validity testing. The data gathered were managed with the use of descriptive and inferential statistics. Table 1 presents the status of La Union District Hospital Services. Has an overall weighted mean of 4.32, interpreted as excellent. This means that the strategic location of the five district hospital is easily reached by the people seeking healthcare services. While availability has an overall weighted mean of 4.32, interpreted as excellent. This means services from the hospital patient support service, nursing service, ancillary service, hospital room and other facilities service are being provided to clients excellently, and it shows that they conform to their declared roles, and it is a reflection of their hard work and dedication in providing utmost care and quality service to their clients. Affordability has an overall weighted mean of 4.32, interpreted as excellent. This shows that the patients of the district hospital access the available services within their economic means. Table 2 shows the status of La Union District Hospital operations. Budgetary requirement has an overall weighted mean of 3.50, interpreted as very good, which means the budget allocated for the district hospitals was enough to cover and maintain hospital operation expenses. While the status of procurement plan have an overall weighted mean of 3.25 interpreted as good. This is due to the unavailability of prescribed medicines, unavailability of fast-moving medical supplies, which increase the demand for emergency purchase, and available resources are controlled and staff are advised to utilize what was available, thus resulting in a poor quality of standard of care. Lastly, staffing pattern has a grand mean of 4.00, interpreted as very good. This means that the district hospital have a high level of compliance, especially with the manpower requirement for level 1 hospitals. Table 3 presents the significant difference in the responses of the three group of respondents on the status of services of the 5 district hospitals. As gleaned in the table, the computed p-value on the availability of hospital operation patient support service is 0.00, while the p-value of ancillary services is 0.0019, while the p-value of availability of service is 0.0012, and the p-value of other related provision is 0.00. And lastly, p-value of affordability is 0.00. These p-values are less than 0.05. Therefore, the null hypothesis was rejected. There is a significant difference in the perception of the three group of respondents. The identified difference is between the employees and inpatients and outpatients. This means in the perception of the employees, they provide smooth and efficient service. But in the perception of inpatient, their services do not satisfy their needs. And due to the long stay of the inpatient, their increasing healthcare demands were not met, unlike with the outpatients, in which their queries and needs were provided immediately. Moreover, in the perception of employees, the district hospitals offer affordable diagnostic exams and services. However, for the inpatients and outpatients, cost depends on the services that could meet their needs. According to Zainelvin, patient satisfaction can determine the degree of competitive healthcare organizations. Their satisfaction is based on the hospital responsiveness to their views and needs and the quality of the healthcare service delivered. Table 4 presents the significant relationship between the status of services and operation of the district hospital. As gleaned in the table, there is no significant relationship between the status of services and operation of the district hospitals. This means accessibility, availability, and affordability does not affect the budgetary requirement, procurement, and staffing pattern. Despite the limited budget, problems in the procurement process, insufficient manpower in the nursing unit, their services were not affected. Thus, the healthcare needs of patients were provided and utmost and quality care is still being rendered to their patients. To uphold the excellent performance of the La Union District Hospitals and to strengthen their existing services which they can offer to their clients, especially to the marginalized sector of this society, an enhancement program was formulated. This program can elevate the quality of their hospital services and operation. In light of the findings of this study, it is concluded that the district hospitals in La Union are excellent in delivering hospital services to the people. Despite the challenges encountered in sustaining hospital operations, the performance of the district hospitals is a reflection of their hard work and dedication in sustaining and elevating their quality management system. From the foregoing, the formulated enhancement program, which includes infrastructure facilities, procurement of high-end diagnostic equipment, facility for watchers, is recommended for its adaptation for additional income generation among the district hospitals.